Okay, so we're doing something on this one. Now we're going to the van. We're going to the van now with my new friend. So, we're trying to do it faster and faster and faster. So, we do it faster and then we're doing it. My daddy was walking. Say hello to my new video.
Hello, new video.
So my daddy looks like an uncle and a monkey. My daddy looks like a monkey. And then my daddy and my mommy and sister and Bobby and Lola are here. Say hello to my new video.
Hi, video. Hello. This is mommy. We're going now. Come on.
Hi to my new video. No. Go say hi to my new video. Go say hi to my new video.
Okay. Hi.
Say hi to my new
Hello,
video.
how are you? You are here in Bohol?
Yes, we're here in the Bohol. So this is me, Reese.
Oh, you're right in that boat.
Wait lang. Stand beside the tiny boat.
Wait, can you take a picture? And then we're here.
I'm in the boat.
Excuse me.
So we're excuse me.
Okay.
I get my pictures.
Maurice, doon.
Here it.
1, 2, ready. Diyan, makita yung face mo. Okay, here. Diba you want to take pictures here? Diba you
So
want to take pictures
we're here
there?
now. And then there's a
Yes,
sofa.
that's sofa.
And now
That's sofa. Dira, duwa pa kita.
so we now later at the van. We're here at the van. So that is the van that we're going to other one.
Sabi ko doon muna sa park.
Hey!
Hindi na mag-away. Hindi na mag-away.
And then my sister was holding, doing so mean. So like this subscribe video, you're mine. So subscribe this video.
Nasa likod ma.
Oh, sorry. My mom was doing something else.
Sino kausap mo?
My friendly stone.
The friend you video?
My friendly stone is always
Bee
there.
Farm naman.
Sige po.
See that one? So, they're driving at the driver.
Anong meron sa Bohol Bee Farm, Reese? Sa Bee Farm, anong meron?
Now what is my big eyes?
No, hindi pa Tarsier. Bee pa, bee. Bee Farm, we go to the bee.
Bee.
Yeah, bee, yeah.
Sa Bee Farm, walang bees ngayon.
Yeah.
No bees.
Oh, no. Sali na dito kuya.
Ano naman, restaurant naman mo ka na
Ice cream.
ice cream.
Ay, asan ang mga buyog?
So,
Ano, boy, lugay naman.
my driver is talking to my mom.
Oh, ice cream na lang.
And now, my friend is showing this.
Tama na yan, Chris, malipong ka.
Okay, done.
Bye na, bye.